I got a highway truck here, first one of the winter, and I'm hooked to the top of the body in the back by way of wrapping the tailgate from the frame up. I got a heavy ground sling off that big ass tree over there, and I'm hooked to my outrigger, or my stiff leg on the back, low to the front of the plow. Alright, let's see if this is going to be agreeable. I gotta hold that dump body. It's real soft here. Just let the clutch out a little bit. Huh? Let the clutch out in first gear. That's what it is. It's such a mound of heavy dirt on that other side. You got to keep up with it in the back. Okay, let off the throttle. Just throw the clutch in. I think we're broke free now. And now I've got a better angle, so my support off that tree to the dump body is actually pulling forward as much as holding it up. So we should be able to pull them right up to the dump body here. Right up to the back of the wrecker, I mean. So I run the cables off from the wrecker so that as I'm pulling, I can feel the wrecker rock one way or another on the legs, so I know where I got the most amount of pressure, on the dump body or on the front of the truck. Just clear. Now I'm going to have to pull ahead. Let's see if he can hold it there. I got to go ahead a couple of feet. I got to go ahead a couple of feet. You're going to be able to hold it there?
Yeah.
All right. Set the brakes and hold the front wheels also. All right. Okay, took a few minutes to switch around. I had to move the wrecker ahead some, get out of the way of the truck that's coming out. And I had to switch my attachment to the front of the truck to the opposite side of the plow, so that I wouldn't have a tendency to drag it back into the ditch. Coming good now. There she comes. Big deep hole there. Big deep hole. It's all SurePack, brand new SurePack, and I had to have him let the power come to it, let the clutch out, put some power to it, because the thing was packed with that SurePack right up to the bottom of the dump body. The frame was hung and everything. So having him spin the wheel a little bit works as an auger to clean out the dirt in front of the tires so that I could pull it. But otherwise, I was just dragging my truck back and digging holes in his road. So Yeah, I suppose he's going to have to fix it, so all's fair. Looking good. We'll keep coming just like that. You want to hook to the plow frame. You want to wrap around the plow frame members and come under the blade. Otherwise, it'll be in your way all the time. So, almost home. I think I can pull it from the rear more now. Yeah, it's pulling from the rear fine. Now I'll just boom up for speed purposes. You bring him to me. And also I can unwrap my cables. Bring my cables back. There now. Okay, you got the brakes? Set the brakes. That's what we want. Alright, let's go over here and look at this ditch, make sure he's, oh yeah, he's up in the road in good shape now. Yeah, there's a little bit of trees there. Well, they wouldn't hold much. As you can see, the tires are right up over the top of the tires in mud. Alright, so now I gotta just get him out, put my stuff away, and rate the bill.